Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a Trader Joe's haul. It is mainly acid reflux friendly. And in the end, I will be making a chicken salad, so stay tuned for that, or you can skip ahead. Okay, so I just got back from Trader Joe's and I'm going to show you what I got. It's all reflux friendly. These are new, I haven't seen these before. They're crispy quinoa star cereal. It says quinoa and rice cereal sweetened with cane sugar and honey. So I want to try that. I hope it's good because I love cereal. I got some raspberries. And I got some butter lettuce, organic blueberries, and I was craving apricots for some reason, so I got some dried apricots. Okay, and then we have some strawberries. Celery, cucumbers, some of their strawberry yogurt, I like that kind, an apple, some avocados, 3 of them, and then I got some almond milk. Some turmeric. I'm going to go light on that because it kind of could upset my stomach a little bit. And this is going to all be for a meal prep. And I'm also going to probably make some juices or some smoothies out of it too. And then I found these really good snacks. They're rice cracker. It's a rice cracker medley. And these are not totally reflux friendly, but you can try them out. There's a little bit of spice in some of the pieces, but the rest of them are okay. I already dug into those in the car. They didn't have a chance. Trail mix. And this is the Rainbow's End trail mix. And it has some peanuts, almonds, raisins, and some candy-coated chocolate. Which chocolate you can't always have on a reflux diet, but this one doesn't bother me for some reason. Candied walnuts for my meal prep salad. Some cilantro. I found this gluten-free organic brown rice pasta, so I might do something with that. And then I love this frozen quinoa. You just pop it in the microwave and it's ready to go, so you don't have to fuss with boiling water, which is my least favorite thing to do. Got some balsamic vinegar. Also gonna go with salad. I think I'm just gonna meal prep salads this week. It's gonna be easier. Some King coconut water. It looks really good. I wanna try it. I think I've had it before. A couple bananas. Some black beans, probably also going to go in a salad. Some of their albacore tuna, I like this one. This one is in water, and I like it because you can just open it. You don't need the can opener, so it's really easy to take to work. Some organic microgreens. I love these. I love throwing them on a breakfast sandwich or a salad. So good. Some raw almonds, always good to have for snacking. And then this is not reflux friendly, but it's a burrata prosciutto arugula pizza, and I might just keep that in the freezer for like dinner or something and deal with the consequences later. I got some chicken breast. I'm gonna fry that in the pan and put it on my salad. And I got some ground chicken, and I'm just going to make some patties out of that probably. Okay, last but not least, some soy ice cream. This is non-dairy frozen ice cream. It's cherry chocolate chip, and I've had it before, and it's kind of yummy, so I don't know, I was craving it, so we got that too. So that's our Trader Joe's haul, and now I'm gonna meal prep for the week, and we'll see what I come up with. I was doing a little meal prep for the week, so I boiled some eggs that I had in the refrigerator, and I just keep those for breakfast on hand. Here I'm starting to put together my chicken salad. I'm going to put some olive oil and season the chicken. This is black pepper, salt. It's the pink Himalayan sea salt, allspice, and I'm going to add some turmeric, just a little bit. And I'm also putting in this Italian seasoning, which is like sage, basil, oregano, no onions, no garlic, nothing like that. And I did add a little extra oregano to this. Got the dry rub-in and then fried it in the pan. I think I did about 6 to 10 minutes on each side, and it was okay. And I had it on like medium-high heat. I'm just slicing it up here, and it's going to be ready to go. Okay, I'm going to taste the chicken now to see how we did. Really good. Salty, moist, yummy. I could taste the turmeric. It's real good. I'm going to throw this on a salad, and I'll show you how I put that together right now. Okay, I'm going to prep my salad, and I made about 3 or 4 Tupperwares with the amount of food that I had here. Starting with the butter lettuce, and then I had some spring mix left in the fridge that I had to use up, so I threw that on top. We're gonna cut up some cucumbers, and these are Persian cucumbers, and I'm gonna throw those on top as well. I had some leftover corn, I'm throwing that on top. These microgreens, I love these. I use them on salads and my breakfast sandwiches. They're really good with egg and avocado, and if you want to add bacon or turkey bacon or whatever works for you, these sprouts, they just add a little bit of deliciousness to the top of everything. My dressing is going to be extra virgin olive oil. I just got this one at Trader Joe's, and the balsamic is also from Trader Joe's. And I'm going to pack it. I will put it in the Tupperware, and it's not going to leak. I'm going to put the top on and pretty much never have a problem packing it this way. And I'm also having it for dinner. I also had some garbanzo beans in the cupboard, and I wanted to prep a little extra snack for the week. So I'm just rinsing these. I think I did 2 cans. Yeah, I did 2 cans here, and just rinsed them real quick. And I'm going to toast them up a little bit in the oven. So just lining a baking sheet. I sprayed it with avocado oil. And dumped them in there. Turmeric, some salt. You can do the Italian seasoning again, or oregano, sage, basil, whatever you have.
You could do dried or fresh herbs. I had it in the oven, I think it was about 375, and I kept checking on it, stirred it a little bit. I probably left it in there for 20-30 minutes.
These are so good. You guys gotta make these.
So I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.